Old Wood Boat. Old Wood Boat sits in the yard. She remembers the wind. She remembers islands and seas of green. She remembers and she waits. Rain seeps in. The sun dries her. She cracks and she waits. Blackberries creep across her decks, and raccoons lounge below, and still she waits, softening, oldening. Then, one day, a family arrives. They peek and poke and climb up high. They love Old Wood Boat. They tow her home, scrape and scrub. They fit new planks, caulk her seams to make her watertight and strong. They sand and varnish her until she shines. They mend her sails to hold the wind and tighten her shrouds for when the wind blows a gale. They sew new cushions for the berths below and hang bright yellow curtains in the galley. Old Wood Boat is beautiful again. They lower her into the water. Will she float? Will she sink? She rocks and bobs in the cold water, and her sides sparkle with light. She floats! 3 cheers! Her family steps aboard, and they feel her come alive. Her flags flap. They pour libations to every sea spirit they know. Old Wood Boat floats on the little green sea with her new family. She is ship shape. Her wait is over. She is ready. They cast off the dock lines and wave goodbye to friends and shore. Ripples dance across the water. They raise her mainsail and jib and ease the sheets. Old Wood Boat leans with the wind, and water rolls away from her bow. She races across the little green sea. Where to? Her family consults charts, currents, and tides, and makes notes in the logbook. They steer through channels before eddies and whirlpools form. Old Wood Boat gains speed with the ebb and rides the swell with ease. With the wind abeam and her sails full, she carries her family steadily on. Murrays scuttle aside and seals nap as she slips quietly by. Porpoises dart and play at her bow. They splash and squeak, then swim away. Land, ho! An island ahead. Old Wood Boat tucks into a quiet bay. Her family douses her sails and sets her anchor. They row ashore. They clamber up the tallest peak, then slide back down. They find scraps of the past hidden in vines and pick apples from weathered limbs. Old Wood Boat swings and waits. She was here long ago. Her family comes back. One swims, the others row. They share stories and bowls of stew. They celebrate and sing. Nighthawks call and owls hoo. The moon rises, then the stars. Then there is silence, except for her quiet, gentle creaks. Old wood boat rocks her family to sleep. They dream of wind. They dream of waves. They dream of islands and a sea of green. Old wood boat holds her family safe. The moon sets, the sea glows all around them. Birds call, the sun rises and the wind stirs, all wake. Where shall we sail today in our old wood boat on this little green sea? They raise sails. Old wood boat leans with the wind. Adventures await. The end. I love you, Gwen. I love you, Sadie.